The fuse box.
Oh no!
I thought that's what you were talking about.
Oh, I got a 12K lithium on the way as well.
Okay. So still got that one in here though. Still doing its job.
Yeah, all this is going to come out. I promise this time, YouTube, all of that's going to come out. Next time you see me, this will be different.
All right. I'm gonna hold you to that.
Yeah.
See, you made some changes in here, J. Jones Car Audio 1.
Man, I took that old fourth order out, which I probably shouldn't have done because it was definitely louder than this build. Rebaffled it to 218s, about a 12-inch by 16 port. Get you a shot of that real quick. It's a stack fab port. It's done by a guy locally out of my town by the name of James Harris. He's with DC Car Audio. A lot of guys on Facebook know who I'm talking about. But I just put this USB back in. This is DJ Rusticles, and I took the song off where I was at, and I wanted to play. I was gonna play that song specifically. So we'll see what we can find.
So what are the scars?
Yeah, Scar Audio EVLs on the same TRF HD 8K.
HD 8K?
Yeah, I'm planning on. I got something in the works with JP right now. I want to say something to the camera. For everybody out there to talk about JP, man, I don't know why. It's really just hate. Because at the end of the day, this man just did something for me that he didn't have to do. You know what I'm saying? Some of the nicest things that people do, they don't have to do. And JP don't know me from Adam. I was just another number to him. You know, but he seen me, he saw the problem, and he took care of me on the spot. It don't get no better than that. So,
heck yeah, man. Good customer service is always good.
Yes, indeed. I'm coming back. That's all I know. Back to the demo. Let's see what we can get for Papa. Let's try to find something low for him.
Hadn't heard this vehicle in 2 years. No, 3 years.
Sit back.
And I don't know if this is YouTube friendly, Papa. So
19 DJ Rustical.
We know how to cut.
Right.
19 DJ.
You call it a minivan? That's a dirty word. Drop that beat.
It's just the and the kids working hard until it starts.
Lights out, kids, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, rules are rules.
We gonna rock in the swagger wagon.
Yeah, they probably had about maybe 10 hours of playtime on them.
Yeah.
These are original subs that I bought from JP in 2018, but I redid it to the 15 box, the fourth order 15.
And these are 18?
Yeah,
Okay.
these are 18s. They never got a chance to play.
Do tell, man.
So, you know.
And that's hitting hard. Can I get one more?
Yeah, of course, of course. I'd love to do all day.
What's your voltage like in here?
I'm sitting at about 14.4 normally. I drop down
Okay.
to about 13.8, 13.7.
All right. What's under the hood?
McMahon's supposed to be a 240.
Okay.
It's DJ Rusticles.
I send this out to my child. Every time you talk about it, you pull out his dreams. I want to turn 16, I was in the park. Big nuts and my big brains. That weed and that rain. I'm in the train, man. Champagne on my phone. Everything I nigga told me, it was gone. Yeah, he told me back from the phone. I got this pain, man. I got this pain. Shit, but listen, bitch. I got 2 million. I put it in the box. 6 months later, I think I had to say it. Paid $150 when I put it in the man. I could make $1 million if I grind it. Bankroll after bankroll.
It's real deep.
Yeah, it
Like it's like, you know, when you're coming down the street and everything, you're like looking out the window. Why is my house shaking?
Because Papa's TV's
Yeah,
not coming down the
that's
street.
you, bro. That's you. Man, I appreciate the demo, man.
Hey, I
I always much
appreciate
love
you,
on
man.
the channel too, man.
Yes,
J
sir.
Jones Car Audio 1. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram. Also on YouTube, J Jones Car Audio 1. Don't forget the 1 because it'll cuss you out if you don't. I know
Appreciate
from
you.
experience. Thank you, brother. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, my name is Papa T. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.